Hi, I'm Holly. I'm the intermediary team leader here at Saffron and I look after our telephone-based BDM team. And today I'm here to talk to you about our self-build mortgage range. This is available over 4 separate products. We have our 2 standard products that are available up to loans of 1 million, and we also have our large loan products that are available up to loans of 2 million. If you are looking for borrowing over 2 million, please do still get in contact, as we do offer bespoke pricing on our self-builds and all of our product ranges. We assist on both a purchase and a remortgage basis and can lend up to 100% of the build costs and up to 80% of the gross development value. All our cases are underwritten manually, as each case is unique, and we lend in flexible stage payments and in arrears to suit the applicant's needs. Our products are available on a 5 to 40 year term and are also available to first time buyers. We do allow outline planning permission at application stage, however applicants must have full planning permission before valuation is instructed. We do lend on a variety of different types of projects, including land with consent to build, knockdown of existing properties and rebuilds, large renovation projects and conversion projects. We also offer custom build on our self-build project range. We also consider a variety of different methods of construction, including passive house construction methods, huff houses and modern steel frames. We are open to other construction methods and types as long as they are BOPAS, BBA or BRE accredited. Please do always refer to the BDM team here at Saffron if you do have any questions. As I mentioned earlier, all of our self-build applications are underwritten by a specialist self-build underwriter, and even once we have the mortgage application has completed, for the duration of the build we will keep in contact with the customers to provide help and guidance throughout the build so they don't feel alone. And for the most important, the question, our Christmas quiz today is, how many varieties of chocolates are there in a Quality Street tin?